Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia IH Rice Cooker 2 represents a thoughtful evolution of Xiaomi's approach to kitchen appliances, blending smart functionality with practical everyday usability. Positioned as an affordable yet feature-rich option, it targets a wide range of households by offering multiple capacity choices and a surprisingly refined cooking system for its price segment. One of the standout aspects of this rice cooker is its IH, or Induction Heating, technology. Unlike traditional bottom heating rice cookers, IH distributes heat evenly around the entire inner pot, which makes a noticeable difference in cooking consistency. Rice tends to come out evenly cooked from top to bottom, with a soft texture and a slight sheen that reflects proper moisture absorption. This uniformity is particularly important for those who care about rice quality, and Xiaomi's implementation here feels more advanced than what you'd expect at this price point. The inner pot itself adds another layer of quality to the experience. Xiaomi uses a ceramic-coated design that avoids fluorine-based materials, which is a growing concern for health-conscious users. The multi-layer construction, including an aluminum core for heat conduction and a reinforced outer layer for durability, gives the pot a solid and premium feel. In everyday use, the non-stick ceramic surface performs well, making both cooking and cleaning relatively effortless. Even after repeated use, it maintains its integrity, which suggests good long-term durability. Another area where this rice cooker shines is its cooking intelligence. The Perfect Cook system divides the process into multiple stages, automatically adjusting temperature and timing throughout. This means the cooker handles everything from soaking the rice to final simmering without requiring manual intervention. The result is consistent performance regardless of rice type or portion size, which is especially useful for users who want reliable results without needing to tweak settings. Beyond rice, the versatility of the appliance adds to its appeal. With modes for porridge, soup, steaming, reheating, and even cake, it extends well beyond being just a rice cooker. While it may not replace specialized appliances for every task, it performs these additional functions competently enough for everyday use, making it a practical all-in-one solution for smaller kitchens. In terms of design, Xiaomi keeps things minimal and modern, in line with its broader ecosystem of smart home products. The top-mounted touch control panel is intuitive, and the display provides clear feedback during cooking. Features like the 24-hour delay timer and 12-hour keep warm function add convenience, allowing users to plan meals ahead or keep food ready without overcooking. The improved foam control system is another subtle but important upgrade, helping prevent messy overflows when preparing soups or porridge. What truly defines the Xiaomi Mijia IH Rice Cooker 2 is how it balances affordability with thoughtful engineering. It doesn't try to be overly complex or premium, but it incorporates enough advanced features to elevate the everyday cooking experience. For individuals or families looking for a reliable, easy-to-use rice cooker with consistent results and added versatility, it stands out as a strong value option in its category. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.